Hey guys, went to the junkyard with Dan and Dean and haven't done that for a while, so I thought I'd pull out the old iPhone camera there and did a little bit of recording, so hope you enjoy, and let's have a look at our little junkyard tour. The first one is the local place here, and then I went with Dean the following day and we went way out to the west end to get a few more things. Perfect junkyard day. Perfect. No bugs, no sun. Not too bad. This is a gas one here. It's a 3/4.
If you want a cool oil filler next, though, that's same as police car steam. Those are always cool.
Right on. Dean's right. There's a Studebaker over there.
It could be a 318 though, actually.
Oh, who was looking for a Jeep? You were. Oh, the hood's gone. What else did you need?
That's it.
Oh, wasn't there something else?
Well, this shit's all worse than mine.
Is it? Okay.
Yeah, look at this. It's got like...
Yeah, all right.
And an intake, remember?
Door's good.
This has been here for a really long time, actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, they've moved this around the yard several times.
I'd love one of these in good shape. Oh, Dean, 75. What is that? 4.5 Century Le Sabre. Nice. This is a Comet, like a 63. Bourbon. Hey, what is this thing? It's like a 50 Pontiac? What is it, Dean?
51 Chev or Pontiac? It's a Chev.
It's a Chev.
Yeah, it's got the stove bolt 6 in it.
Oh, hey.
But it's a 2-door post. That's cool. It's got the, and this engine's not seized either. It's not stuck.
Wow.
Looks like they did some work to it.
Well, you mean somebody wasted a spray can of blue on it? Yes.
I found the key.
You found the key?
Yeah.
I think I'm going to take that carburetor.
Yep.
Yeah, that's a good deal. Let's get that. And
it opens. Like it's not like
yeah, it's not seized up. Yeah, that's good.
This cable right here is, but
Yeah.
it went down. It doesn't come back up now.
Okay, that's fine. Oh, it's got a hand throttle on it. That's all. This is a hand throttle.
Yeah, that's what's stuck.
And then the choke. So that's easy enough. Yeah, no, that's
Yeah,
it. Those
you're
are
that
cool
off.
little carbs. I'm taking that. And as a matter of fact, this is what year? This won't. Oh, this manifold doesn't work for my 37, but the rest of it does. That's the same carb as on my 37, actually.
Cool.
So that's totally worth having.
Yeah.
So is this rad, actually.
Do you want anything off this?
Yeah. Let's take the carb. Check it out.
What's left of a Javelin?
71 Javelin
Yeah.
with a 6-cylinder.
Neat, eh?
How cool. That's like the 4-liter Jeep engine, isn't it, Dan?
Man, look at the old pound.
You know what? I actually don't know.
I think that engine dates back that far. Wow, a Javelin.
Yeah.
What a shame. I like these. Oh, there's large pieces of it are missing though. Is it a 260? What is this? Yeah, cool. That's an Z car.
80 or 2? I don't even know.
Probably an 80, but don't know. And an Opel GT.
An Opel GT.
Little
What?
sports car section today.
Why is this in here?
Doesn't Dan at DD Speed Shop have one of these? Sure he does.
Yeah. There you go, Dan.
There you go, Dan. Let me know if you need any parts.
This looks like the same duplicate color rebuild guy from the other car, hey?
Oh, another Chev. This is like a, what do they call these? A Style Master.
47?
47 or so, yeah.
With a missing carb this time, though.
Carb gone on this one, though.
Yep.
But the Jenny's there and the rest of it's there.
You know.
The seat's actually good. Oh, look at all the fur. Oh, somebody fixed her up, eh?
Yeah.
Look at that.
Oh, it's a sheepskin.
Kind of a shame, hey?
Smells
Yeah.
a little bit.
Wow.
Cool.
That's a nice wheel on this car, too. Oh, that's a real shame. Another abandoned project that nobody ever finished. Oh, and a Pacer wagon, you guys. Wow, we're gonna have to get a good. This is fun. I haven't been here in so long. I haven't seen any of these cars.
This dart has been here for so long and it has moved around this yard so many times.
Yeah, they used to be over there.
Yeah, you remember that? That was
Yeah.
like 2 years ago. It was
This is like Miles's, isn't it?
Yeah, 63, fine.
3.4? Yeah.
That bumper actually looks pretty decent-ish. Hey?
The bumper's actually good.
Yeah.
Somebody should have that. If his is bent, then we're taking this. That is... What else? Is anything else missing on his car? His car's complete and plated, though. So
Yeah, his car's pretty good.
it's pretty decent, yeah. Mustang 2. Still don't get too excited about these, but they are pretty rare now.
Mustang 2, yeah.
Okay, well, it doesn't have a keep out thing until you go up there.
Right?
And there's what year dog you got? 53 dog? Straight that way.
Where? Oh, yeah?
You want to go for a walk?
Yeah.
It doesn't say keep out. So.
You don't see Mustangs often in here, eh? That's a 65. 65 Mustang, man.
I couldn't tell you.
Yeah. There's actually more there than most of the ones that you would buy to restore. And another A body, and I really like this Rambler. That's cool. Too bad the windows are broken. Probably had a grain box or something on it. Yeah. Anything you need? Clutch pedals? No.
No.
Gauges? No. This is all older than your stuff,
79.
right?
80 and older, yeah.
Yeah. What do we got here? An International. There's not much left of that.
This is like the get rid of shit pile, hey?
Yeah, that's another Chevy.
What is this?
Is this a Hillman? Might be a Hillman. And would you say is this a Polara?
64 Dodge, I think it is.
Huh. Two-door hardtop though. Damn. Yeah, it's had the treatment, I'm afraid. Yeah. Slant 6E. What is it? Maybe it's an Austin. Might be an Austin. This is a very early Duster. Like a 70?
70 Duster, yeah. Somebody took the VIN tag off of it, so somebody's making it, and the fender tag, so somebody's making a car out of it.
Oh, okay.
For sure.
Yeah. So those 14s or 13s?
14s.
Small bold 14s are kind of rare. Oh yeah. There's a nice Chevy truck. It's what, 60? 61? Somewhere in there.
Cool, hey?
Yeah.
Super premium highway LTs, hey?
Those are wicked, yeah. Nice classic tire spotting today.
Little flat on the corner.
This looks like a Buick here. Yeah, it's a 66 Buick Wildcat, we think. Half of one. Strange car to cut in half, but there you go. And, oh, nice old Pontiac coupe. That's cool. That's like a, what is that, a 65 or 6 Parisian? Those are good looking cars. Well, not this one, but
In general, they are.
in its day, that was a good looking machine, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, kind of a shame, but neat to see one. Yeah, beautiful cars. And what's this ugly old girl? Another Mercury Breezeway.
Yeah.
63 4.
This is the next.
Sad to see it go.
The next run of stuff here, obviously.
Yeah.
The 6.5.
That's a good grill on that if anybody cared, I guess. Here's one for our buddy Kyle. This is an easy fixer compared to the ones that he builds. Man, this is way better than the one I gave him. This even has a decent box side, kinda. Anyway, Kyle, there you go. Get here today. I'm curious what this is. Maybe this is an Austin A40. We'll have to ask.
I really have no idea.
Keith's buddy Malcolm would know. Dean and I have just got back from the junkyard and we had a pretty good time. And I scored a couple of nice carburetors and a distributor cap for our Studebaker and a set of wires and plugs for the Stud as well. So can't really argue with that. Okay, junkyard day again.
Yeah.
Right, got the Dean machine.
Yep.
We're headed to the west end of town.
Yeah.
And apparently there's a Nash and a Kaiser, and there's one there and one there.
There's a Studebaker there. There's there's a couple Studs, I think. Yeah.
I think this stuff came from that auction that I went to where all the cars seemed to get priced out of range pretty quickly.
They did.
And I think these wreckers have a standing you know, they probably just said we'll give you $500 for everything or whatever. So anyway, we're gonna go there and we're gonna see if we can just. I actually don't mind, because why buy the whole car if you can let somebody else buy it, haul it, move it, and get rid of it, and all you get is the pieces you want. So
yeah, some of them are pretty poopy anyway. So
yeah, they're mostly poopy.
Yeah.
But
okay.
Nice. It'll be a fun day, and the weather's not too bad. Okay. What do we get at the old junkyard, buddy?
Let's check it out.
First off, a very nice.
Oh, that's right. I forgot.
BFG Silvertown 710-15 wide white that was on a Kaiser, and it still holds air.
Yeah, that's
so
great.
I couldn't leave that there. Classic tire pile needs feeding at all times. Look at this pile, man. Holy cow.
It's out of control, eh?
These just showed up fairly recently.
That's sweet.
Awesome. I got 3 out of a set. So
yeah, anybody out there
who's got one they want to sell, there's a 14.6, I think. I think they're Keystone Mag Stars, or I don't know, they're something weird.
They're
very, very old.
They're early Keystone.
Yeah, early
probably.
Keystones.
Yeah, that's neat. Yeah.
We got another headlight ring for a Kaiser. Not really a huge score, but why not? And I just threw this in here, but a really good windshield.
Yay.
A totally driver quality windshield. Could not believe it. So couldn't be happier with that. And that was worth the whole trip. We got the windshield moldings as well, but that will go in whichever 51 to 53 Kaiser I decide to put on the road.
You might want to put your L trim in there because your pocket's getting holy.
Oh, is it?
Big time.
Oh, geez. Okay. Yeah, there. That's these guys here.
Yeah,
so we got a whole complete set of windshield trim.
Is this the one that you wanted to fix?
No, God, this thing's hammered.
Yeah.
We'll just put it there.
Hammered, yeah.
This thing is poo-poo, yeah. Unfortunately, but great parts car.
Good parts car, yeah.
This is a Canadian-made one.
Oh, okay.
They only made 900 of them in Canada.
Oh, so they had a plant here in Canada?
Yeah.
Ontario?
Somewhere. Yeah. What else did we get?
We got
some Nash stuff.
parts,
Yeah, we didn't get the doors like we wanted. The doors were they're rusted on there, and my screwdriver bit broke immediately. So these cars have like a Phillips screw, gigantic Phillips screws hold the doors on, and after 50 years of rusting in the pine trees, those were not coming out. So we have to go back with a saw or something.
Yeah.
But Dean managed to find and salvage some headlight trims.
Yeah.
Oops. Here, hold one up, take that one off. The chrome one.
Yeah, yeah.
And these actually go.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, so that's
It's upside down right now.
upside down.
Yeah,
But
that's
with a little hammering,
Yeah.
that could be convinced that it goes on there. Or just leave it like that. There we go.
Yeah.
Beautified a lot. There we go. So, and
yeah.
totally fluked out.
That's
and
sweet.
Dean managed to get that guy off.
Yeah.
As a matter of fact, we could have taken that bezel. It's better than this one. But anyway.
That wasn't that great.
Yeah. So, pretty successful day. We weren't there very long, and
I'll go
after I got that windshield, I was happy with that. Is that door open? Somehow it does. Here, pick this and put it in too.
That's sweet. Oh, I do like this thing, yeah.
Yeah, I love this car, but this one is garbage. So one day, I'm going to try and find a good one of these, and then we're going to use this one for parts. But this car is pretty far gone. It looks better than it is, and it doesn't even look very good. Anyhow, a pretty good day at the office so far. Now we're going to walk Frankers, put the tools away, and then we've got to move a bunch of junkers around.
Yeah, we do.
And maybe swap one tire onto this Studi. See, this white wall side looks nice.
Yeah.
But then you got this ugly one here. So why don't we put the ugly one on the car that's going in the back for parts?
Oh yeah,
Right?
sure, yeah, sure.
And we'll put the nice white wall on this guy. You can see behind me we have our V8 Showdown cars all lined up and shined up, just waiting for harvest to be finished so that we can take them out to Laura's place and tear up the field, but not before the crop is off. So be in the next few weeks. Hope you're looking forward to it as much as I am, because that's going to be a pretty fun day. A regular contributor.
Same old shit.